I'm going to show you how easy it is to put your copper pyramid together. Simply lay the corner pieces out in the general shape that you'd like to have them be, and the holes are where the poles are going to slip into, and they're going to be held together by friction. You're going to start with your 8 poles. The longer ones go on the ground, and the shorter ones are what make up the inner triangle. You have 4 corner pieces with the drilled out holes, and your top crown piece with any jewel color that you like. And there's the base. From here, the 4 center poles are now going to be installed. Start with the pole that's on the lowest side and push it all the way in so it snaps in place. And then just go around the circle. And there it is. And it's so sturdy and put together, you can even pick it up by the top, and it's going to hold together.